Hey guys, Lenny Bonds here from Purposely Pixel, and today I'm going to give you my 3-month assessment of the Pixel Buds A. I received these as a gift from Google right when they first were released in June, I think it was, and I've been using them ever since. And spoiler alert, I really do enjoy them. Are they perfect? Absolutely not. But do they work very well? Yes, and we'll get into that. Before I get into why I like these and why I would suggest that others would try it or buy it if they want, let me just do a little unboxing or show you what's in the box, so to speak. So with the Pixel Buds A series, you obviously get a case and the buds, and inside we get the USB-C cable as well as different size earbuds for the comfortability of your ear. We're all not made the same, so this is nothing new with the other companies, what they offer inside the case. Simplistic, minimalistic, but gives you all you need. The Pixel Buds A. Let me give you a rundown of the specs. They come in two colors. I have the clearly white, and they also have the dark olive. They're an IPX4 for the earbuds itself, not the case. They have a spatule vent for in-ear pressure reduction and spatule awareness and bass boost. It's a USB-C charging port. No, they do not offer wireless charging. The earbuds give you up to 5 hours of listening time and 2.5 hours of talk time. You get up to 24 hours of listening time or 12 hours of talk time. It's Bluetooth 5.0. It also gives you an additional charge if you throw them in for 15 minutes for about 3 hours extra of music or 1.5 hours extra talk time. It offers you in-ear detection, Find My Device. It has a fast pair, so you flip it open, it shows up on your Pixel device and you can pair them right away. It can read notifications to you. It has built-in Google Assistant. It's a capacitive touch sensor for music calls and assistant controls, and it's just worked very well. They are extremely similar to the Pixel Buds 2 series, which I have right here. They both are exactly pretty much the same as you look at them. Same click, same feel, same magnetic connection, very good. Build quality is great on both, almost identical, aside from the color profile and the wireless charging, and that you wouldn't even know unless you put it on a wireless charger. They look identical. Flip them open and you can see they are extremely similar. The differences are this has wireless charging. This also has volume control with the earbuds itself. They removed that for cost cutting purposes, the wireless charging and the volume control on the earbuds. These retailed for $179. These retail for $99. And I find I actually get better battery life with the Pixel Buds A than I do with the Pixel Buds 2. What this lacks right here is wireless charging, as well as volume control on the earbuds and these experimental sounds that the Pixel Buds 2 had within its profile on the app, like hearing a dog barking or a baby crying. But they were experimental sounds, and I don't think anyone's going to miss them personally. Some people might say that they're going to miss the wireless charging part of it. That I could understand. I wish they had it. And the volume control is good, but it's not a feature that's going to kill it for me. And another major thing Google did for the consumers, there was a lot of complaints about stability and connectivity issues. There are absolutely none with these. I can vouch for that. That's another big plus. What I like about these, I like the fact that you can use them individually. Many earbuds you can. So controls are equally distributed between the left and the right, so you don't have any issues with that. There is no ANC on this, but I can tell you from experience when I have them both in my ear, whether I'm on a plane, whether I'm indoors working, I really do not have any issues with background noise coming in that will disrupt the music and cause me to say like, wow, I wish I had a better seal. I could block out the sound better. Never had that issue. Volume on these are excellent. I'm not an audiophile, but music is very clear. There's bass, there's mids, there's highs, there's lows. I personally enjoy them. I enjoy them a lot. I've used other earbuds. I use Galaxy Buds. I use Jabra Elites. I do Soundpeats, M-Pals, Tozos. So I have a variety of earbuds that I use because that's something that I do a lot. I'm a letter carrier for the United States Postal Service, and I'm outdoors a lot. Call quality, excellent. No complaints about out background noise when I'm talking or wind blowing or anything like that. So either they're not complaining or it's doing an excellent job. One of my favorite features, obviously, is the integration of the Google Assistant. You use the hot phrase and it activates the assistant. You could read messages. It will read everything for you. It'll tell you the time. You could call people, text people, and this is completely hands-free. So this is something that I really enjoy. I find it to work perfectly, actually. I've really never had an issue. The comfortability of these are excellent. You can see the indication of the right and the left. They fit well in the ear. These little rubber hooks, they're soft. They don't bother you. And I get no ear fatigue. I wear these for about 3 to 4 hours a day straight. I just think they're overall a pretty good true wireless earbud. Do they have all the features of the other high-end ones? No, not all. But do they work well? Do they sound well? Do you get great clear call quality? Yes. And I don't know what else you could ask for except for the other ANC and maybe wireless charging. These are $99. When you compare them to the other high-end brands, you're looking at $199, $249. Do they offer more features? Yes. Will they have somewhat better sound quality? Yes, to some degree, but you can't poo-poo on this sound quality. I'll just say it like that. This is my 3-month rundown of the Pixel Buds A. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, smash that like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you have the Pixel Buds A? Do you have the Pixel Buds 2? Do you see a difference? Just hit me up below. This is Lenny Bond from Purposely Pixel signing.